How to add booking to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the booking to your Squarespace website. So basically Squarespace has an integration for a booking or appointment booking system, which is going to be called Acuity Scheduling. So how we can get the access to it? Basically, you need an account within Squarespace and also a website. So we are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and visit our account dashboard, just like that. And after that, we are going to select the website. As you can see, we have an expired already website, but I think one that didn't expire yet. So we are going to click on Go to Website. Now what we're going to do is very simple. We are going to see our website like that. And now we are going to head over the left side of the screen, click on scheduling. From the scheduling, we are going to see the Acuity scheduling setup. So this is the Acuity scheduling. As you can see, we can start by creating appointment types, set up the availability, and also design our scheduling page. And after that, you're going to have the scheduling page like that. You can go ahead and have it from here. So we are going basically to have this option. You're going to have the link. For example, you can go ahead and have it as an embedded. So you can go ahead and use it on Squarespace. Also, you can go ahead and have the block, as you can see, or embed the offer. So here we are going basically to head over the scheduling again. We are going to find it like that. So let's start by setting up first the appointment type. So I'm going to click on here on the overview, and we can go ahead and set up the type as a personal one or a group, for example, as a class. For the, for example, personal one, I'm going to type in the same name as the example, consultation. And the duration is going to be in minutes, so we are going to put it as 30 minutes. The price is optional, but I'm going to put it like, I don't know here, $50. And you can add or view additional settings, but I'm going to create the appointment type. So I'm going to have here the changes. As you can see, I have added one. You can add more, of course. Now for the availability, we are going to set up the availability. So we can go ahead and check up the days, as you can see, and also the time. So I'm going to put 2 days off, the Sunday or the Friday and Saturday. I'm going to put Sunday from 9 to 5 is a little bit exaggerated. So we are going to put it from 9 to 2 p.m. like that. So we're going to have it just like this from 2 days, and we're going to put this as 3. This one also is 3. So I'm going to save the time, and the final one is going to be designing our scheduling page. So basically this is the scheduling page. This is the consultation that we have. We can edit the text. For example, I can go ahead and edit whatever I want from here. Basically, I do not want this or that. So you can edit or select, click on the select appointment. Here we have the site title. I'm going to exit that. So this is the preview. You can go ahead and change the styles, as you can see, matching the website. So I'm going to let it match the website. So we can select background color, schedule background, header text, scheduler, text, button, font, and whatever. When you finish, you're going to click on here. So what did we do? So design again. We can go ahead and see some settings like setting up the template as monthly or daily showing. As you can see the live one or the expanded preview. Now back to our scheduling. You can go ahead and set up the invoices and also the integration with other calendars. You can synchronize them with Google Calendar, iCloud, or etc. But this step is going to be for the subscription on Squarespace. Now for the availability, you can go ahead and change it at any time. For example, you can go ahead and set up the hours of availability, and also the scheduling limits, as you can see for the group, and also set up rooms. So here, as you can see, we can set up the payment methods or the payment settings. You can connect Stripe, Square, or PayPal, and here you have it. Now back to the business. So how we can add it? We have set it up. This was an obligatory step. We're going to head over page and we're going to add a block as the manual said. I'm going to click on edit. This is our website. Now I'm going to add a block and we are going basically here to add scheduling. So scheduling, boom. So this is going to be equity scheduling. It is going to be a trial. So basically, if you're going to have an existing account or you have the trial, you can go ahead and have it right away. And if you do not have it, it is not going to work. So you need to set up the subscription for the scheduling of equity. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.